YouTube studio. That should be your best friend.
That's where you see everything that happens on a particular video you upload.
Hello guys, hello family, you're welcome back to the channel. And guess what, on the channel today we have a special guest, and I'm very sure you've seen this face before. You've seen this face before. If you've not seen this face, go check
the YouTube event, right?
Yeah, that video. You will see Vikky there. So this is live with Vikky, my fellow YouTuber.
Yes,
YouTuber extraordinary.
Yes, so yeah, my name is Victoria and my YouTube name is Life with Vikky, Vikky.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm a lifestyle vlogger and basically share every good stuff. So do well to check me out. Okay,
we have a video on Vikky's channel.
Yeah,
where we talk about struggles, challenges that Nigerian YouTubers face.
Yeah.
So you should just go and watch that video.
It's a must watch.
Yeah. So the link of the video will be dropped in the description box.
Yeah.
So I'm your favorite video, Rachel Nabon. For you subscribers, if you've not seen this face before, you're welcome to the family. We have enough room for you,
of course.
So you're welcome to the family. What you need to do right now is to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button,
the like button,
turn on notification so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So let's go straight to what we have today.
Yeah,
we'll be talking about things we wish we knew before starting YouTube channel. This will also help you if you have plans of starting a channel. Yeah, this will help you because here we are sharing what we learned.
Yeah, so that you will not make or feel the way we felt when we started and in the process. So it will be more easier for you. At least things we did not know, you are enlightened now, and by the time you start your YouTube channel, it should not be like, I didn't know about this, I didn't know about this, YouTubers don't say this, but we are here to tell you,
giving you
like for free.
So people do this as masterclass, but here we are because we love you.
Yes.
So if you want more of this kind of videos, subscribe. Alright, so the first I'll be talking about, I wish I was told that whenever I'm making videos, I should record my videos on landscape and not portrait.
I love portrait. Portrait is where it starts.
When you're watching YouTube video and you just see something like this, that means you
did a portrait style, yes, and not the landscape. So your maybe if you are using your phone to film, then you need to put it like the landscape. Don't put it like where you want to record an Instagram video or you want to take a selfie video. You know, it has to be the other way.
Yeah.
So don't make that mistake if you are just starting your YouTube or you're having plans.
Yeah,
it's like
do you know that if you want to know a YouTuber in an event, it's very easy to spot them?
Of course, now.
Just see them turn
you know that
this one is a YouTuber.
YouTube gang.
The first thing I wish I knew. Yeah. No, there's how this thing looks. Whenever you're watching a video and it doesn't fit into the screen, it looks somehow. So
the thing I wish I knew before starting YouTube, or maybe probably when you're starting your YouTube channel, don't ever fall for sub trap. Don't do it, please. For sub means that, okay, let me use I am Rachel. We are both YouTubers, and I go to our channel, I click on the subscribe button, I subscribe without even watching the video. So she comes to my channel also immediately and she click on the subscribe button without watching. YouTube will term that as a bot. They will not count it as a subscriber, because normally before you subscribe to someone's channel, you have watched and see that, oh, okay, I like this person's content, I like their personality, I like what they do. Before you subscribe, like you might not even subscribe immediately. So imagine you just enter somebody's channel and click subscribe,
and you do it for,
and you keep doing that. Don't try it.
Avoid it. The thing I wish I knew before now is allowing copyright songs on my videos.
Yeah.
If you've not watched my video where I talk about YouTube deleted my videos, then I'll drop link in the description box. You need to watch that video. See, if you know the effort it takes, you need to go and watch the video on Vikky's channel where we discuss about the struggle of Nigerian YouTubers. Because after watching that video, you will know the effort it takes for someone to make one video.
And YouTube will now take it down. Jesus.
After let's say maybe like that my video, I had some views on it, so it has already said counting. Other people have finished watching this video, YouTube now brought it down. Your effort, the views you managed to get, the subscribers you got on that video, everything just
down the drain like that. So
I wish I knew that. Okay, there are some songs that I'm not supposed to use on
your videos. Yeah.
So I will just avoid.
Nobody notice your hard work for a very long time.
What you need to know is this: once you upload any video, Uncle YouTube will not promote it for you.
As in,
promote your videos
just by yourself.
If you just don't be there, people will search.
If you search your WhatsApp status, post it there. Instagram, post it there. Facebook, like share your videos
until they
be your own #1 fan.
See, if you don't promote yourself, nobody will promote you.
I mean, that's all now.
If YouTube is still promoting YouTube, who are you not to promote your videos?
See, nobody wants to know how you achieve your goal or how you get monetized, how you get popular on YouTube. Nobody wants to know. They just want to see the results. They want to see, oh, you don't care
about the process.
Nobody wants to know where the
results.
So
that's who I wish I knew how to use before starting my channel. Is the end screen and card.
Yeah, cards. Yeah.
Guys, you won't believe it. Sometimes when I watch people's YouTube video, I will just say,
click the link up here.
I would
please, where is up here?
I will be looking for up here. How will I put it? At some point, I was like, okay, let me just leave it. Maybe it's people that have up to 5K subscribers that are putting the link up there. I never knew that this is something that I can actually do. And this thing makes people watch more of your videos because they see suggestions of videos.
Yeah, so when they click it, you just take them to that. And at the end of the video, that's the end screen. Yeah. Where it tell you that okay, you can watch this video
or you can subscribe or you can
before
watch
I know that money. Hey, I was like, how nah? It's not only me that will not know this thing. Seriously. I have to start making research. All the people that do this thing, they don't have 10. I will know it.
And what motivated me was the fact that I found out that even those that don't even have up to 1K subscribers, they were doing So that's it. So it's good you add end screen and cards to your video. So if you want me to make a video about this, you can let me know in the comment section. That's why I'm here on this channel. That's why I'm on the streets of YouTube to make life easier.
Point is make clear and readable thumbnail. If your video is not even good, you see your thumbnail.
That's what attracts.
That's like you know when your thumbnail clear. Don't put too much written words. Let it be clear.
Colors. Yeah. Mix colors.
Like know how to mix and match your colors.
If you don't know how to match, just use white and black.
As in
do research
on that title before you
titles and thumbnails. Do you guys notice that I am Vikky? We are twins.
I didn't plan it.
We are wearing same color
and she came and we are.
This is really cool. So this is our first collaboration video. Vikky is a family member.
Yeah.
So if you see more of Vikky's face, this is the second time she's showing in my video on this channel. So if you see more of Vikky's face, if you want more videos about lifestyle,
Vikky.
the name you're seeing on the that's Vikky's YouTube there, so you can go ahead and search. I also drop the link to her channel. You don't need to see.
Don't stress
if you love me, if you love my videos, if you love this channel, if you love being a family member, then you should also love Vikky.
Yes.
Very well to comment. Let her know that you are from Rachel's family. Is using YouTube Studio. That should be your best.
That's where you see everything that happens on a particular video you upload. How people are watching your video, what means your video is being promoted, how many subscribers you have, your watch.
YouTube wants to give you any information.
Through your YouTube.
So your YouTube Studio that you get this information. I'll advise you can download the app, but I'll advise you use the web
version.
With your phone too, you can also use the web version. You get details. You can also edit your videos, add thumbnails, add tags, and the end screen you mentioned, the cards. So it should be your best friend.
Subtitles also, you can add it from your YouTube Studio.
So we wish we knew all of this before we started. Maybe by now
maybe we will now be like, those your favorite YouTubers.
So now we've made it easier for you guys. Those of you that want to start, or those of you that are already on the streets of YouTube and you don't know about these things, we've made it easy for you. So don't give up on YouTube. This is all we have to take. There are a lot of them, but just for this particular video we have to stop here so you can watch other of our videos. So if you've watched to this extent, I've not been mentioning subscribers because I know you are a good person. I know you have it in mind to subscribe. I know you have it in mind to subscribe. So subscription is free until we come your way with more entrepreneurship videos, social media, and lifestyle videos. Alright.